I have been looking into getting a dash cam lately. Why? People drive crazy nowadays for safety. If you're active in Instagram like me, you know there's a brand that a lot of people use in the off-road community. Unfortunately, their price is not within my budget. Luckily, our friends from Arfacam sent me this. This is their A14 4K dash cam. Let me show you what's included in the box, how I installed it, and what my thoughts are for this product. We got the actual dash cam. In the back, there's a display to show the current settings. The bottom has a button to adjust the settings along with the speakers. The side has the USB-C charging port and a micro SD slot. And we have the actual camera, of course. Other items included in the box. We have the 12-volt plug, some cable clips and a pry tool, an extra adhesive, user manual, and 2 electrostatic films. I inserted the micro SD card first. Recommended to use a class 10 or a U3 speed. Plugged it to power using any USB-C cord. Then install the app on your iPhone or Android device. Follow the steps on the app to connect the dash cam. I selected the real-time video to check the feed to make sure the dash cam is working. Dash cam is working. Now let's proceed to install it. Cleaned up my windshield using the electrostatic film. I cut a small piece that matches the adhesive in the dash cam. I lined up where I want the dash cam to be so I would know where to put the electrostatic film. Peeled off the adhesive backing from the dash cam, then adhered it to on top of the electrostatic film. Plugged the USB-C cord, cleaned up the wiring, and plugged it to the 12-volt outlet. "4K resolution." So I downloaded one of the videos and it is in fact 4K resolution. The app is very straightforward. If you select the real-time video, you actually go inside the dashcam memory. That's where you can select record and unrecord. Select the album to view all of the videos with tabs of normal, event, parking, and even photo. If you go back to the main menu, again, record and unrecord, you can toggle the audio recording to turn on or off. Select the video resolution that you prefer. And on the top right is other general settings, from loop recording, exposure, voice volume, time. I haven't really played with all of that yet. Going back to the main menu of the app, if you select local video, you can see all the videos that you have downloaded from normal, event, parking, and photo. So it has 8 voice control, and I recorded this a little bit earlier.
Turn off Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi is off.
Turn on Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi is on. Wi-Fi is connected.
Take picture. Lock the video.
Emergency video.
Open recording. Turn off recording.
Alright, so this is the screen on the back of the dash cam. Those numbers, that is the time. So 22:41, so it is around 10:41. Of course, the red blinking light is record. And then the middle one is GPS, not middle, but the next one would be GPS. Middle is audio is on. Next is Wi-Fi is on. Then lastly, it's SD card. So I just want to show you what is in the back. And also, if I say turn off display, turns off the display. Open screen. There you go. It has GPS. The app shows the driving route data in the recorded video. Orphocam A14 does have 2 kinds of 24-hour parking modes. It has the collision detection parking mode. The dash cam has a G sensor. So if that triggers the G sensor, the dash cam turns on. Then we have the time-lapse parking mode, which it does record in time-lapse when the vehicle is parked, and when the G sensor is activated, it records in 1-minute intervals. But in order to use this 24-hour parking mode, you need to purchase a hardware kit, which is, I believe, around 19 bucks at the time of this recording. So, what do I feel about this dash cam? Never owned a dash cam before, but I would say I like the look of it because it's low profile, 4K, you cannot go wrong with that, and the price. If I would be buying a dash cam, this would definitely in my top 3. Installation is pretty easy. Probably took me like 30 minutes with recording. And speaking of installation, there's something that I want to show you. After you actually install the dash cam, you can do this. You can actually remove the dash cam without the top part. Top part, it's still there, so it has some hooks to it. Pretty neat. Another reason why I prefer this low profile dash cam versus the ones that you put in the rear view mirror. Alright, going inside the driver's seat. I'm in the driver's seat. There's a dash cam right there because I need the rear view mirror because of that. That wraps up our video. If you like content like this, consider subscribing. Hit that like button. Thank you for watching. See you next time.